Let's learn how to write a paragraph. Hello students. Welcome to Homework Joy. A paragraph is defined to be a group of sentences that completes a topic unit. Do you want to learn how to frame a perfect paragraph? Let's get started. Let's learn to write paragraphs in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Decide a topic by culminating all your creative ideas. Step 2. Build a perfect opening sentence that defines your topic and your purpose as well. Step 3. Write down the information in order. Make sure that your focus should be on the keyword and its purpose. Step 4. Explain with examples to keep the reader comfortable and engaged. Step 5. Try to relate the entire content with the given example. Step 6. Make sure you are ending your paragraph with a sentence that impacts the reader. Caution. While writing paragraphs, you should keep in mind that you are not writing anything out of the text. Paragraphs are meant to be crispy information regarding a particular topic. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description for details. For more, follow www.homeworkjoy.com.